Question you have to ask yourself is, are you aligned with the life that you want? Now, what exactly does that mean? It means, are you happy with what you're doing in your life? And if not, why not? And what are you going to do about it? If you're unhappy at your job, the work you do, your relationship, everything that you do, all your daily activities, well then why are you just going through the motions, right? Just going through the motions of life because society tells you, you should go and do this, you should do this, and then you should climb the corporate ladder, you should go to university, or you should get this education, or I better do this in case, what will my neighbors think, what will my family think, what will society think, right? To me, that is all very societal programming. And if you are not happy in your life, what are you going to do about it? And that is such an important thing to think of. If you've never seen me before, my name is Susan. I'm in Alberta, Canada. Hello. I'm a digital marketer, meaning I promote digital products in the make money online space. I help people try and have a social media presence, make money by promoting done for you digital products or creating digital products, and they are downloadable so the customer gets them right away. I've got 12 years experience selling online. I was selling physical goods and digital goods, but the digital products industry, the digital marketing industry is growing so huge exponentially, it's booming. And it is changing the lives of ordinary everyday people because they're selling digital products in a subject, topic, or niche that they love. And educational courses, investing in an educational course is so incredibly important. It's like studying anything that you really, really want to get into, and learning a high income skill like digital marketing can really be life-changing. So if you're stuck in a 9-to-5 that you absolutely hate, that you're not aligned with, you want to go out on your own like I did and do your own thing, you can start while you're still doing 9-to-5, because you can be doing it in pockets of time like I'm doing right now. I'm in the dog park, I'm walking my dogs. You can be gardening, cooking, you can be traveling. That's the beautiful thing about digital marketing and selling digital products, is that you can literally be doing anything, and you can be creating videos like this, or also faceless videos that just show you in the distance. You don't even have to get on camera and talk, and then you put text and music on the screen and offer information to people. And it might be something that you think is small and trivial, but you might have a knowledge, a skill, and expertise in a certain subject, and you could turn that into an ebook or a video series, whether it's cooking or gardening or yoga or pet care or parenting tips, and something that you can offer and make an income stream, because you're creating the product once and you're creating a reoccurring income over and over again. So if you have any questions about digital marketing or selling digital products online, please reach out to me or grab my beginner's guide that is free in my store. It's going to explain to you what digital and affiliate marketing is. There's also a mini course that's called the Pathways to Profits, and it is very affordable. It's going to help you and tell you all the basics of how to start an online business selling digital products, and maybe what niche you want to pick. And also get my free content workbook that you can print off and fill in, and it's going to help you brainstorm on what kind of niche you can maybe sell in. And I will have the Roadmap exclusive brand new course in my store very soon. I'm busy going through the new modules right now. Very, very exciting. Massive, big business, full business development, marketing, automation course that's brand new and very exciting. Anyway, reach out to me with any questions. And just remember, if you are not aligned, now is the time to change that, because digital marketing is booming and growing, and you want to get in on that now. You want to start right away and start creating an income stream that can pay the bills, get you to travel, and do a whole bunch of exciting new things with your life.